Start.
Make sure that you loosen the bolts, these bolts on the brake mount with this tool that we have provided in such a manner. Don't go all the way to loosen the bolts. Keep some slack. Make sure that you see a small notch and a big notch. This big notch goes on this pipe of the wheelchair. Now I'll fix the brake mount, into which I will slide in the brake. After sliding in the brake, I'll hold this in place with my hand and check at which point the brake tightens against the wheel. Since this is my position, I tighten the same bolts with the tool that we have provided. The final tightening should be done from the short end of the tool, this short end of the tool.
Continue.
Now the brake can be engaged.